change your username on Facebook is pretty simple. First, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Proceed to tap on settings, and then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and this will land you on an interface like this. Continue to tap on Meta Account Center, and under Meta Account Center, we're going to continue to tap on profiles, and then with this selected, continue to tap on the profile name that you want to change the username to. In this case is Mubarick Mohammed, so I'm going to tap on it, and this is where the magic will happen. So I'm going to continue to tap on username, and then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. This is my current username, which is Mubarick Mohammed 0. So if you want to change it, you can just proceed to tap on this box and then make the necessary change that you want. In this case, if you want it to be this, you can allow it and check whether it's still available, and after that you then proceed to tap on this check marks and then continue to tap on done, and that's it. You have successfully changed your name on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.